Those windy conditions did fuel a fire that's burning right now in Solano County.
Yeah, it's called the Hay Fire, burning in an unincorporated part of the county near Vacaville. According to the Solano County Office of Emergency Services, within just the last half an hour, crews have stopped forward progress, which is some great news there. KCRA3's Leanne Danier is live for us along Hay Road, and we can see just from your picture, it is still windy out there.
Yeah, it's incredibly windy out here, and just over my shoulder, I believe you can see those fire crews who are still working on this hay fire. They've been out here for hours now. They dispatched around 12:30 this afternoon to what officials described as a rapidly growing vegetation fire. I want to pull up some video from earlier. I have to say things look a lot better now than they did when we shot these pictures. You can see the flames, I believe, on your screen right now. Throughout the day, this dry north wind has been gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour, increasing the difficulties in getting this put out. Fire crews using aircraft, dozers, hand crews. We saw them all out here trying to get a handle, get these flames out. At last check, the Solano County Office of Emergency Services said that the fire had burned 810 acres. Thankfully, no evacuations are in place. Officials tell us there are a few outbuildings being threatened, but no homes. Again, more good news there. We did talk with the Dixon fire chief who's overseeing this response. He had this message for anyone who might see the smoke coming up from this hay fire.
Just know that we're on it. Don't need to call it in. If they see a plume in an area that doesn't fit this fire, definitely call it in. We'd rather make sure it's not a different fire. Stay out of the smoke, especially with those with any kind of respiratory issues. Other than that, no, just while the wind's blowing, stay vigilant, keep your eyes open.
That was the message from him, especially given the windy conditions that we are seeing. Like I mentioned just a moment ago, conditions do look much better than they did even an hour ago, but we are still feeling that wind sort of whipping things around. There's been sort of debris flying around the area, holding on to our hats as the wind gusts are so strong. Fire crews do expect to be out here for the next couple of hours, but that latest update from Emergency Services is good news, saying that forward progress had been stopped. In Solano County, Leanne Danier, KCRA 3 News.
Yeah, certainly good to hear that they're getting a handle on that from there. Let's